If you are an Excel user or data professional, this video is going to surprise you. Today I am testing an AI tool that doesn't just write content, it actually helps you analyze data, create charts, and work smarter with sheets. So let's start with the first amazing feature of this AI tool, that is sheets and data analysis. So before starting this scenario, I just want to show you how we can start this AI tool. Simply what you need to do, you can search on Google Skywork.ai, and you will get this link of Skywork. This is the icon, you can see this is the icon. You can click on this link and you will directly move to the landing page of Skywork. Do sign up, do your login, and simply you will get this kind of landing page, and where you have the same kind of scenarios, like you have the chat box, in the left side you have sidebar. And what is the best and very amazing part, that we have in this AI tool, we have different modes like general, images, documents, slides, chats, sheets, website, videos, and tools. So for now, I'm just going to start with first amazing feature, that is sheets, because you all are here just to learn Excel from me. That's why I'm showing you this sheets part first. I've just clicked on this, and here you can see we are getting turn raw data into organized sheets and analytical reports. Just we need to type our query prompt and we will get our result. Let's try this out. Simply we need to add the dataset. The first trick that I want to show on this amazing tool Skywork.ai is I want to create an interactive dashboard. Right now I'm using pro mode. If you want to get this pro mode, or if you want to get discount on pro mode, you can apply my coupon. I will show that coupon on the screen, or even just you can click on this upgrade. This is the basic plan. You will get 20% discount on this plan when you will apply my coupon code, right? So again I'm clicking on this Skywork. We are on the landing page. Let's select this sheets, and simply I want to show you one aspect. And also before that, the main important thing is what we have, the templates here that you can use directly. This is also amazing part in Skywork. Simply if I want to create any dashboard in HTML format with Skywork, what we need to do, we can click on plus, we can add our data set. If you want to create any dashboard in only 4 to 5 minutes, you can use this AI tool, which is amazing AI tool. I've created multiple dashboard like this. I'm just showing you one sample. So this is the sample dashboard that I've created, and again I'm showing you this part how we can create. Let's click on plus icon and let's add our file. Click on upload, and I'm selecting raw data set. Click on open, and I've added the file. Simply we need to type the prompt, create an interactive dashboard, and just you need to give the reference here of your file. You can use @ and select your raw data set that you have added here also in HTML format. Let's press enter and let's see what this Skywork.ai tool will create for us. So I've clicked on this direct transfer. It is just also giving me this suggestion. This requirement can be done with the help of this website mode, but I just want to use the same mode that I'm using, that is sheets mode. So simply I've clicked on direct transfer. Let's see what result we will get. So it is on thinking mode right now, you can see, and it is thinking like for that data set, what are the things that this AI tool can create. Let's wait for this scenario. So now it is generating the code. In the right side we have Skywork computer, and it is just using the coding language. So it is also giving me some time. I will fast forward this video so that it will not be the lengthy video. So this is extremely useful for people who work on reports, dashboard, or quick analysis and don't want to spend hours writing formulas. And in the right side you can see now we have this amazing dashboard created by Skywork.ai. You can simply see we have this amazing dashboard and fully automatic dashboard, fully interactive. I am saying this, if I will select north, I will get north data. If I will select south, I have south data. And with our data set here also we have Okay, if I will select all reason, we have all reason. If I will select laptop, we have the KPIs, we have the KPIs, we have the visuals, and we have the data set, detailed sales data set. Even we have the timeline scenario here, or even we have reset filter option. If I will click on reset option, now we have the reset scenario, means we have all the data set of Excel. So this is how it took, I think so, around 1 or 2 minutes to create this dashboard. So you can start using this Skywork.ai tool, and if you want to get discount, you can simply apply my coupon. You will get 20% discount. So now let's start with AI document feature of this Skywork.ai. We can click on this document feature, and we can simply create documents, and even we have the templates that we can use to create the document. But for now, what I will do, from the same data set, I want to create one document. So I will click on plus icon and add that same data set that we have. Let's add. So I've selected this file, click on open. Now this file will be uploaded. Save a new copy, I'm just doing for now, and let's type one simple prompt: create one document from this dataset, show the relevant information only, which can be useful for management. I'm just typing this prompt, and let's see what result we will get from this scenario. Let's click on send button. I'm using now document mode, AI document mode. Let's see what result we will get. So now it is generating document for us, and let's see what will be the result. So I'm showing you different use cases related to this Skywork.ai, because it will help you to use in all of your scenarios. Because in different companies, what we are doing, we are just creating documents, we are creating Excel sheets, we are creating slides, we are using websites, coding, and all these kind of scenarios we are using. So that's why this tool will be very effective for you. Start using this tool, and also I will show you some more examples, some more features of this Skywork.ai that will be very useful for you. So it is generating the document. Let's see what result we will get. So it is just showing us 3-minute time, but it will not take 3-minute time. It will complete that in few minutes. Oh my god, it is also creating some charts for us, some visuals that can be relevant visuals from related to our dataset. Bingo, great. So I will also fast forward this scenario because I don't want to make this video very lengthy. That's why I will fast forward. Sometimes we have the meeting with the management and we don't have too much time to create or to generate any document with the dataset or with the sheets. In that case, you can use this amazing AI tool, that is Skywork.ai, and you can use this AI document feature of Skywork.ai. Now let's see, we have the third visual. Great. I have completed the comprehensive sales analysis and generating a management ready report with all requested insights. So now it is compiling writing material. Okay, compiling writing material. So if you are thinking to buy any AI tool, you can use this pro version of Skywork.ai. That will be very great for you in different tasks of your company. So now we have management sales summary report, and it is in progress. Okay, in the right side we have the generating, please wait. Okay, I am waiting, and bingo, it is generating the report, management sales summary report, and with proper formatting. Great. So if you will try to create manually this kind of report in documents in Microsoft Word, it will take too much time, right? First you will think, then you will create the charts, then you will think of this insights or the text. But the main thing is what? Always verify the AI content. That is very important requirement we have. And after reviewing, you can submit this report to anyone, right? So now we have the report, and it is generated by AI tool, that is Skywork.ai. Let's download this, and I just want to check. Oh, these are the formats that we can use to download. In Pro version, we can click on download. In PDF also we can download. Let's download in PDF for now. Okay, download started, estimate time 1 to 10 minutes. You may leave the project page. Okay, I can leave this project page, and a notification will be sent once download is complete. Okay, great. So okay, till now we have the summary, and this is our summary. One professional document PDF we have, and if you want Word file also, you can create that Word file also. You can click on download, and here we have Word file also. So it is downloading. Download started, estimate time 1 to 10 minutes. You may leave the project page. Okay, so let's wait. It will download, I think so, in a few seconds. Let's click on this. Now we have the Word document. So this is the Word document. Now you can do editing also in this document. That is also very important part. See, we can do editing. Great. We can do editing. Yes. We can change the tables values also, and this is in proper format. Ultimate result we are getting from this AI tool. So start using this AI tool. Now I just want to show you the third feature that is very important for you all professionals. If you are professional, or if you are creating content on presentation, PowerPoint presentation, you can use this slides mode, right? Slides mode. So what you need to do now, the best part, I can convert the entire document into presentation slides in one click. So we have one document. I just want to convert that document into slides. So what I can do, I can click on plus. I've already downloaded that document. Let's convert that document into slide. We can click on upload, and it is in download. Let's find that. Yeah, so this is the document. I'm going to add this document, and let's type one simple prompt here. Create presentation from, I'm just giving reference of this document by using @ from this document in 5 slides. Okay, I just want to use 5 slides. Also, I am mentioning I want to present these slides to management. So accordingly it will create that slides. Let's wait, and it has started the generating part, and let's wait for a while. So this tool can be a game changer, because I'm personally using this tool to generate multiple things like sheets, slides. See, it is creating the slides. Only 5 slide outline it has created, and also in the right side it is in progress. Okay, generating. Please wait. Let's wait, and let's see what will be the result of this amazing AI tool. So please don't wait. If you want to use this AI tool in pro scenario, you can simply click on this upgrade button and get 20% discount on that just by applying my coupon. And bingo, we have one slide preview here in the right side. This is amazing trick, or this is insane analysis report this AI tool has created that I can directly show to management. And okay, let's wait. Okay, we have 2 slides right now. It is generating other slides also, but for now, just to see this first slide, it is great. So we have third and fourth slide also it is generating. Okay, this is the third slide, this is fourth slide. So now we have 5 slides, and even I can download this. Click on download, and we have in pro version we can download in PPT, PDF, HTML, Google Slides. We have all these scenarios we can simply download, and let's wait for this download part. I just want to show you quickly this scenario, because this is simple scenario, but the slides are insane, right? Great slides. If I will try to create it manually on PowerPoint presentation, it will take too much time, but right now it has taken only 4 to 5 minutes to create the slides. So it is a great tool that you can use for multiple tasks in your company. So till then it is downloading. I'm just moving to the home screen. So this is the landing page of Skywork.ai. I just want to tell you, like, we have more features in this. You can use this website builder. You can create your website with this website mode. If you don't know coding part, you can click on this and you can create your own website just by clicking on that. So you can use this website builder, or even this videos. We have scenario, we have images scenario, we have documents, slides, chat, or even we have more tools that we can use: broadcast, professional data, YouTube. This U vibe is also very important thing here. The bonus that I want to tell you is, paste any YouTube video link. You can simply paste any YouTube video link and see, I'm just clicking on this YouTube learning creation assistant. So we can add any YouTube link on this scenario, and Skywork convert it into notes, summaries, and structured content. You can try this part, and it can also create, see, requirement to help you generate documents, slides, podcast, mind map, and other files. This is also very important feature that we have related to Skywork. So this also you can try once. This Skywork tool is for which audience? If I will talk about the audience part, Excel user can use that, data analysts, trainer or educators, content creators, business professionals, and whoever are doing these kind of tasks in their company, they can use this Skywork.ai tool. So if you like this video, don't forget to share this video, and if you have any doubt related to this Skywork.ai tool, you can simply do comment in comment section and check the link in the description, or I will also pin this comment to try Skywork. If you want to use Skywork.ai right now, you can do comment Skywork. I will provide you the link through which you can directly get 20% discount on this AI tool. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay connected for learning more AI tools like this. So I have explored this Skywork.ai for you so that you will get clarity. We have nowadays not only other AI tools, but this tool is great. If Excel productivity matters to you, this tool fits naturally into your workflow. Start using this AI tool. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video and stay connected with me to get more videos on AI tools. Thank you so much.